Oh, grabe naman yung maghambal nga. Wala agad namit sa coffee break. Kadamo-damo sa inyong pinang-order. Wala agad namit, biskan isa lang. Gani para sa vlogger, ito lang ang naghambal. Ang pagkaon sa coffee break, tabang. Kabalo ka kundi ng namit. Sa super. Degto namit ang ilang binlod kag upa nga tunto ka.
Hoy, Yulin! Yulin, boy! Literal ka nga, boy! Paano mo man dito sa buran, be? Ang mga pastries, kagang mga kape nga lafor. Ibis ka! Ang hinahanap mo, damog, kaning baboy. Amo na sa dapat ang kinakain mo, dapat
nag-visit siya sa isang coffee shop dito. Umorder siya ng maraming food, umorder siya ng coffee, drinks and all. And then, she made a video. She posted a video online. What she said was, tumatawa siya eh. Sila. They were having fun, they were laughing, and they were like commenting na hindi daw masarap yung pagkain. Matabang. Like, she ordered a couple of pastries, a couple of cakes, and then she have pointed out na kahit isa dun sa mga in-order niya, wala daw masarap. Kahit yung lasagna, hindi daw masarap, matabang daw. And then, she even said a bad word. Sabi niya, ampu, yun, whatever. Hindi ako nagba-bad word, so sorry. A lot of Ilonggos were offended. Number one, Coffee Break has been in the business for almost 20 years. Maybe more than 20 years. And kahit saan dito sa Iloilo City, may Coffee Break. Okay, imagine that. If hindi mahal ng Ilonggo, hindi tinatangkilik ng Ilonggo ang lasa ng Coffee Break, which is Iloilo City has been awarded as a city of gastronomy, meaning masarap ang pagkain dito. Maraming coffee break dito sa Iloilo City. Sa city lang ha. Sa city pa lang. There are more than 5, I guess, branches of coffee breaks here in Iloilo City. So doon pa lang masasabi mo na mahal ng Ilonggos ang coffee break. Hindi sila magtatagal ng ganun. Hindi sila mag-branch out ng marami dito sa Iloilo City kung hindi sila mahal at tinatangkilik ng mga Ilonggo. Now, your comment. Yeah, that's true. What's not good for you may not be good for me, or what's good for me may not be good for you. That applies to everybody else. But, as an influencer who has a large reach dito sa platform na to, or even sa ibang platform, the way how you said yung opinion mo is very sarcastic. It is very rude, especially pinost mo yun sa public. Number one, pwede kang mag-raise sa manager or sa staff na hindi mo gusto, na matabang or whatever. Did you? Hindi natin alam. But how you said your comment na tumatawa ka, tapos nag-bad words ka pa, that is very sarcastic. Us Ilonggos are known to be malambing people. But we can be very angry when yung amin or yung sariling amin, which is something that we are proud of, is ininsulto.